Here is Aurora just after a big snowstorm, the big first snowstorm of 2008. Can you say hi, Aurora?
Hi, Aurora.
Very good. So let's get a different view here. Just looking down the driveway. Snow coming up to the deck. Aurora standing at the entrance to the house.
Yes.
Aurora, where's baby Jasmine? You think she's in the house? Look at Aurora, it's snowing. Aurora's enjoying digging in the snow. Good job. Should we go walk down into the court? Come on. Let's go walk down into the street. It's too tempting to dig in the snow, I guess.
Okay.
Okay.
It's slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery, that's right. What's that?
Fairies.
Where are the fairies? The snow. Where are the snow fairies?
I think so.
Should we go find them?
Yeah.
Uncle John Kaiserman said that there are snow fairies out here, so we're going to go look for them. She said she's going to go find them.